Hi, this is Gordon Dutch of Resource, filming on behalf of Rave. Gary and Steph couldn't get to London ISE, so we're bringing you all the news and stories. I'm here with Tony Leedham. He's from Ashton Bentley, and Tony's going to tell us a little bit about their company and their product. Tony.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm from Ashton Bentley. We've been going now for 10 years. We're very pleased to be at this small, limited ISE event in London. Normally we're used to the much larger shows in Amsterdam, hopefully next year in Barcelona, but it's great to actually be back talking to real human beings face to face. So we have a small booth here at this show. We have a couple of new things that I should like to show to you. First of all are some boxes you see here which are hidden in this system, which is our Interconnect kit, which allows you to extend USB-C laptops over 30 meters over a single network cable to a display or video bar. The most important feature of this, in addition to extending the USB-C, is it allows you to use any VC app that you have on your laptop as the video engine for the room. So you could come in and use Teams for one meeting, Zoom for the next, Cisco WebEx, Pexip, BlueJeans, it doesn't really matter what you have on your laptop. If you don't want to build your own system around our boxes, we can supply you with the complete systems which you see here. Here we have a 75-inch display with a table with all the technology built in, utilizing our Interconnect technology inside. And here on the other side of the booth we have a small huddle system which again uses the same technology. As you can see, we're working with the new Bose VB1, and this got my laptop connected to it, and we can use any VC app on this huddle system with the camera speaker technology from Bose. And on the larger system you just had a moment ago, we're using the new Rally Bar from Logitech, which has Zoom built into it, and again you could use a laptop with that as well as the Zoom which is built into the Rally Bar.
Tony, how have you found things since lockdown? Has it expanded your business, or did it initially hit the business and you've had to repeat? Because obviously there's a lot of people looking at this area nowadays. You've been in it a while.
Yes, well, when the lockdown actually first hit, it did impact the business dramatically because our products go into meeting rooms. And because meeting rooms obviously stopped and shut down completely, our order book stopped. We did have some on the books, so when the lockdown released at the end of last year, we did manage to ship some systems out to India, of all places, and also London. Then it went quiet again, but now in the last month to 6 weeks we've seen a dramatic uptake in the interest levels and physical demonstrations. That to us is the sign of the channel now filling up, because once we do demonstrations we get business.
That's good news. And I hear you've just about to open up in the States, is that correct?
Yes, we've just signed a distribution agreement with Annixter Westco Group, the Liberty Annixter Westco Group. That's about a month old, so we're just getting our feet under the table there. Well, we have our first customer with them already, a large bank, I can't say who it is, but that's just started to roll. The first order's going through, so we're really pleased to expand that.
That's great. And how are you finding things here at the show?
Actually, better than we thought. Ever the sort of optimist, we thought there'd be some people here, but actually, yeah, it's good.
We've been a decent turnout.
Yes, we have. I think people are just pleased to be out and network, and with the people we've seen are people who are interested. They're not just here to...
No tyre kickers?
No.
Excellent. And if people want to know more about the product, go to the website is?
www.ashtonbentley.com.
Lovely. Thanks for your time, Tony. That's
Pleasure.
Gordon Dutch at ISE London.
Thanks.